Hi friends, important banking exam questions and answers part 10. This is useful for the people are appearing for any banking exam or attending for any interview. Question number 176. When was State Bank of India constituted? 1955. In 1955, State Bank of India was constituted to take over the Imperial Bank of India. Question number 177. Examples for non-fund based business in banks. Letter of credit, bank guarantees. Question number 178. What is meant by CIB? Credit Information Bureaus. Banks typically share with credit information bureaus details of defaulters by their borrowers. The loan agreement with the borrower typically has a clause that provides such sharing of information. Question number 179. Pledge was defined under which Act? Contract Act 1872. As per the Contract Act 1872, pledge means bailment of goods for the purpose of providing security for the payment of a debt or performance of the promise. Question number 180. Hypothecation is defined under which Act? Surface Act 2002. Hypothecation is defined under Surface Act 2002 as follows. Hypothecation means a charge in or upon any movable property existing or future created by borrower in favor of a secured creditor. Question number 181. Mortgage was defined in which Act? Property Act 1882 is defined in the Transfer of Property Act 1882 as follows. A mortgage is the transfer of interest in specific immovable property for the purpose of securing the payment of money. Question number 182. What is meant by DRT? Debit Recovery Tribunal. Debit Recovery Tribunal. Any person, including the borrower, aggrieved by any the measures taken by the secured creditor on his authorized officers for taking possession of security may apply to the DRT within 45 days. Question number 183. What is meant by IFRS? International Financial Reporting Standards. India has opted to go for a mechanism of convergence. This means that FRS is not being directly made applicable in India. Instead of the ICAI will bring out accounting standards which would be in line with the IFRS. Question number 184. What is meant by CAMEL's framework? CAMEL means capital adequacy, asset quality, management, earnings and liquidity. CAMEL is a framework for the composite evolution of banks, financial intermediaries in general. Question number 185. When was Bank for the International Settlement established? 17th May 1930. Bank for International Settlement BIS established on 17th May 1930. The BIS is the world's oldest international financial organization. Question number 186. When Basel I standards incorporated in banking industry 1992, the Basel Accord of 1988 focused almost entirely on credit risk. It defined capital and a structure of risk weight for banks. Minimum requirement of capital was fixed at 8% of risk weighted assets. Common minimum capital standards to the banking industry end of 1992. Question number 187. When was Basel II norms introduced? June 2004. In June 2004, a revised international capital framework was introduced through Basel II. The following year, an important extension was made through a paper on the application of Basel II to trading activities and the treatment of double default effects. Question number 188. When was Financial Action Task Force established? 1989. The G7 Summit 1989 established the Financial Action Task Force. In 1989, members of the FATF has been expanded subsequently. India has a status of observer in FATF. Question number 189. When did India implemented the Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002? July 1st, 2005. In India, the Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002 came into effect on 1st July 2005. On the same day, the Financial Intelligence Unit India, constituted by the Government of India on 18 November 2004 as a nodal agency for AML measures, got statutory recognition. Question number 190. What is meant by the Sale of Goods Act 1930? Ownership passes from the seller to the buyer when the bank finance trade or business ignites the security of inventory. It is important to consider how goods that security is. The Sale of Goods Act 1930, which determines when the ownership passes from the seller to the buyer and the respective rights of the parties, is therefore an important aspect that the banker needs to consider. Question number 191. Committee formed to review the MFI developments. YH Mahalingam Committee. In the light of all these developments, RBI set up the YH Mahalingam Committee to look into all aspects of MFIs. The committee came out with its recommendations in January 2011. Some of the important recommendations are: question number 192. What is meant by ICRA? Income Recognition Asset Classification. Question number 193. What was corporate debit restructuring implemented in India? Answer: August 2001. CDR, corporate debit restructuring. It is a part of restructuring of loan by banks implemented in RBI from August 2001. Question number 194. When was Basel III implemented in India? Answer: March 31, 2019. Basel III norms introduced in 2010. In India, it was implemented in March 31st, 2019. These guidelines were proposed in acknowledgement to the financial emergency 2008. Basel III recommended that capital equity ratio was 8% internationally, while India it is 9%. Question number 195. What is meant by NABARD? National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. NABARD, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, started functioning from 12th July 1982. Question number 196. Which committee recommended Payments Bank formation? Nachiket-Moore Committee. These banks can accept a restricted deposit which is currently limited INR 1 lakh per customer. Initial capital 100 crores for the payment banks. Payment banks formation, Nachiket-Moore Committee. Question number 197. When was T-bills implemented? 1986. Treasury bills means T-bills. It was implemented 1986. It is also known as T-bills. In the money market, if we talk about lowest risk instrument, then it is T-bills. Question number 198. What are the maturity periods available for T-bills? Its maturity period are 91, 182, 364 days. Its maturity periods are 91, 182, 364 days. Question number 199. When was commercial paper introduced in India? 1990. Commercial paper, it was introduced in 1990. It is issued in the form of promissory note. In this, the net worth of the company is not less than 4 crores. Question number 200. When was certification of deposit introduced in India? 1989. It was introduced in 1989. Scheduled commercial bank except RRB, local area banks, all financial institutions are permitted by RBI to purchase the CD. Thank you friends. If you like video, please subscribe and share with your friends also.